Of you, myself Sandeep Parashar, and I am welcoming you online classes, computer class, 8th class. 8th class. In last class, we are reading chapter 2, Learn to use Access 2013, and I already told you it is a data storage software. It is used to store data, and data is stored in the table format in RDBMS. RDBMS data store the in table format, row and columns. In last class, we read how to start MS Access. In today's class, we are going to read creating an Access database. Before we create a database in Access 2013, we must remember some things. Purpose of the database, why we want to create tables of the database, data where what we want to store in the table, user of the database, who is the user, queries that the users need, data retrieve after sometimes whatever we want from the table. Access 2013 provide the following way to create a database: creating a blank database and creating a database using a template. I want to tell you one thing. Template means already reserved some things. Whenever you open your message box in your phone, you have some message already reserved, like right now I'm riding the bike, I call you later, I'm in meeting, I call you later. This is known as templates. Templates means reserved words. Same here, if you are going to start templates, means we have already reserved a file format wherever we want to insert our data. And creating a blank database means you are going to start a new database. Creating a database using a template. A template is a ready to use database that contains tables, queries, forms and reports needed for performing a specific task. To create a database using a template, follow the given step. Create the file tab, click new option from the backstage view. A list of templates will appear. Select the required template, a new screen appear. Create the create button. Whenever you create it, template is open. Now second part, creating a blank database. Blank database means bilkul new. It is fully new. Wherever we insert our data according to our wish, we create it. To create a blank database, follow the given steps. Click the file tab, click new option from the backstage view, select blank desktop database and type the name of the database in the file name box and click create. It is like similar whenever you are going to start MS Word new file, you click on the file, there is a new option, you click it and it will open. Same here, we create on the file, after that click on the new, after that we will give them name and after that OK and it will open. After opening blank database, we need to create a table, because I already said to you we store data in a table. To create a table in MS Access, we click on the create table, but in this we have two types of create table option wherever we store our data. First is datasheet view and second is design view. In datasheet view, it is directly open. Our table is directly open. We just give the data. And in in design view, we will make it. We will create the table. Creating a table using datasheet view. In the datasheet view, we can enter the data in the table directly. To create a table using datasheet view, follow the given step. Click the create button, click the table from the tables group, access create table, add column by default, click in the column and type the data in it, press tab key to add a new. Now save the table by clicking the save button, give a suitable name to the table in the save as dialog box, click OK button. Okay, in this we have a click. First of all, we need to create on table. Second, we need to create a table. Third, we are going to give them data. Fourth, we are going to save. And fifth and sixth, we are giving to them a suitable name, and 6 in OK. Whenever we click OK, our file saved. After this, we have viewing a table. We want to view a table and its data. Simply double click the table name and present on the left panel. The table open in the right panel, displaying all its record. In this we have all access. After this all access we have tables. In this we have so many tables. Whatever you want to see, you click on your table, and after that our data will come in the right side. Next topic is table structure. What data will store in the table? What data types? Data types means what types of data we store. A table structure indicate what kind of table has to be created. A table structure identify the name, size and type of various field. A table store various types of data, data entry, various account filled in a table. Some data types are as follows. Short text. Short text means whenever we are going to insert only data in little bit. The data type short text contain letter, number and symbols. The number in a text field are considered as text and cannot be used for calculation. These are not used for calculation. The length of the next field where it can contain a combination of 255 characters. It is only stored 255 characters. Next, numbers. The data type number contain numeric values. It does not accept letters or other symbols except numbers. For example, 46, 2004, 1989, 12,345. It is not accept any word. Currency. It is used for whenever price tag will come. The data type currency contains symbol for currency, decimal and commas where needed. For example, rupees 100.45, $45 and euro 20. Date time. Date time is used to store date and time in our table. The data type date time contains the date and time. Calculation can be made on this field. For example, 1/1/2000, 1/1/2006 and 11:45 am. Long text. We read short text. In this we have only 255 characters. Long text. The data type long text contain long text with all kind of data like hello, my name is Raman, I am 10 years old and I live in New Delhi. This is long text. Yes, no. The data type yes, no present only one of two value like true and false. True represent by yes and false represent by no. Thank you. Tomorrow we will read next topic. Stay at home, stay safe.